The Rene Herse Humptulips Ridge tires are the most expensive tires I've ever bought in my entire life. So what exactly drove me towards designing this tire over its competitors? That's what you're going to find out in this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group for people who are into bike restorations, and you're welcome to join that group with the help of the link in the description below. The reason I was looking for a new set of tires was fairly straightforward. I bought a 1991 Koga Miyata Skyrunner Carbolite who'd been sitting in someone's garage for years. Since the tires it came with had probably been exposed to the sun, they had completely disintegrated, which is a common issue with skinwall tires. Since the bike had almost all original components, and I'm kind of a purist when it comes to restoring a bike, I looked up what type of tires were factory installed. They turned out to be specialized extreme 1.95 inch width tires, extremely rare and extremely expensive. Because I knew I would go for a replacement, I did some research into 26-inch 10-wall mountain bike tires. There aren't all that many, but the one that stood out mainly because of the price tag was the Humptulips Ridge tire. The Humptulips Ridge tire is decidedly a 26-inch gravel tire. The company that makes it are known for making premium quality tires for bike packing, all-road and gravel tires. Since older rigid mountain bikes make for excellent gravel bikes because of their geometry, it made sense for a company well known for making solid gravel tires to also make them in a 26-inch format. The Humptulips Ridge tire features low-profile round knobbies that sit somewhere between a true XC tire and a trail tire in terms of size and spacing. Although Rene Herse claims that the dual-purpose knobbies excel in loose and slippery conditions, I found the opposite to be true. Since all of the knobbies are the same and the tire does not have purpose-built ones for cornering, I found the front tire breaking out as soon as I hit any loose sand. If you compare the Humptulips Ridge to the Racer Dart, which is a dedicated front XC tire, it's self-evident why the Racer provides heaps more confidence while cornering. The Humptulips Ridge tire comes in 4 different packages. Besides the standard package, there's an extra light, endurance, and endurance plus version. It's self-explanatory what they offer. I opted for the extra light version, which came in a more accentuated light skinwall version. The very round profile of the tire in combination with the lightweight extra light casing of a mere 490 grams for a 26 x 2.3 inch tire means you run very fast tires for gravel conditions. They'll smooth over small imperfections. To put that weight into perspective, the previously mentioned Racer Dart is 130 grams heavier, sitting at 620, and is less wide at 2.1 inch. Not only are these some of the most gorgeous skinwall tires money can buy, riding them in the conditions they are meant for is an absolute joy. Whether that's out on hardpack or on cobblestone of old city centers, the Humptulips Ridge tires are very fast rolling tires. So price is always a difficult subject because value is in the eye of the beholder. That being said, $96 for the extra light version is definitely a lot of money for a single tire. And since I'm from Europe, I had to pay over $107 per tire to obtain them. I do not regret that decision because the tires are a perfect addition to my very rare rigid vintage mountain bike, which I use predominantly for gravel riding. But at the end of the day, they are more than twice the price I've paid for any other tire. Good looking, fast rolling, the pricey offering from Rene Herse will have you flying across gravel type roads and trails, but beware of hard cornering in loose conditions or you'll be biting the dust before you know it. If you like this video, please share it, and if you have any questions or suggestions for new videos, let me know in the Facebook group. Thanks for watching.